While partial knee replacement is a very successful operation and gives you a knee which feels very natural, like any other procedure, it also has some complications. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about some common complications which can happen after a partial knee replacement. First of them is arthritis of the other compartment. Your partial knee replacement surgery was done, other compartment of the knee was normal, but over the years this has developed arthritis and now you require a revision to a total knee replacement surgery. And this can happen earlier if this compartment has been filled with a plastic which is thicker than normal. Then we get extra loading on the outer compartment. Can you see my knee has bent like this, and the knee gets more loaded on the outer side, then this side develops arthritis. Or this can also be because of missed arthritis of the patellofemoral joint during the surgery. In this video, when I talk to you about complications, please understand I'm talking about the complications which happen when we do this surgery all across the world. Complication number 2, fracture of the tibial bone or the leg bone during the procedure. If the bone quality is very weak, and when we are preparing the bone for a partial knee replacement component, sometimes the bone can get cracked or can get fractured, which needs to be fixed immediately. And that can sometimes jeopardize the procedure and we have to abandon partial knee replacement and do a total knee replacement surgery. Please remember, all the patients are told about these complications during the consultation also. Complication number 3, infection. Now, infection is a complication which can happen in any joint replacement surgery, be it a knee surgery or be it a hip replacement surgery. So it can also happen in partial knee replacement surgery. And we try each and everything from the beginning. We prepare the patient, we rule out any possible source of infection in the patient's body before the surgery. That is treated first before the patient is taken for a partial knee replacement surgery. But also by doing the surgery in a dedicated joint replacement operation theatre which has laminar airflow, which is called the modular operation theatre, we also minimize the chances of having infection in the joint. Complication number 4, which is unique to mobile bearing partial knee replacements. So this plastic which is moving in the partial knee replacement can get dislocated and that can lead to early failure. That brings me to the complication number 5, which is loosening of the implant. Over the years, the implant can become loose because of the wear and tear of the polyethylene, or because of the poor bone quality, the implant can get loose. If that happens, that also requires conversion to a total knee replacement surgery. So these are the top 5 complications which can happen during a partial knee replacement surgery, but with our experience, we minimize them. We do the surgeries after optimizing the patient's body for the surgery so that infection doesn't happen, while respecting the tissues and the bone quality of the patient, and we give appropriate antibiotic protocols after the surgery so that infection doesn't set in. I hope this video gave you some perspective about the complications of partial knee replacement. If you still have any doubts, any questions in your mind, please drop your question in the comment section and I'll be very happy to answer them.